Alright, over here at Target, let's check out some of their Hot Wheels here. Some 5-packs, very cool. There's some Flames, Mopar. That's a nice 5-pack here. These are Night Burners. Yeah, that's a nice one. Let's see here. Some Batman. Looks like most of these looks like they're all been picked through. That's a nice art car. And these looks like it's been picked through. Look at that Porsche right there. 20 packs. Some 8 packs. Some Ultra Hots here. That one's cool. Nice tail Traco. Some Matchbox, 8-pack. Got Fast and Furious, some nice ones. It's got the Toyota Land Cruiser, Land Rover, Turtles, some Batman. Got some 2-pack here, Ford Escort and Ford Sierra. Got some premiums, Mercedes. Those are big ones. 1/43 scale. Nice Ford. I like that old school Matchbox Ford. Here's some Ultra Hots. That's a cool one. Dropping them. More Ultra Hots up there. Super Rigs, those are cool.
You know what?
There's Super Rigs. That's a nice Corvette. 1/43 scale. Nissan Z. These are little remote controls. Lamborghini. Here's some DC Jurassic Park Hot Wheels. Some Turtles. 1/43 scales. Some Matchboxes. Yeah, looks like it's been picked through. Renault. That's a cool one. That's a nice Toyota Silka. Some M2s. Nice Ford. These are some Jadas. Here's some pink slips. Nice Jaguar there. Mercedes AMG. Jumping. Here's some tune cars. That one's cool. Chevy Nomad. Nice tuned Corvette. Some Chevy Impala. Those are cool tunes. There's some Majorette. That's a nice one. McLaren. That's a nice Toyota GT. 2000 GT, that's a cool one. That's an Audi Romeo back there. Some AEW. 2 packs. There's some green light. That's cool, Bronco. Audi. Premium. That one's cool, muscle car, vintage one. Some green light. That's a cool 94 Ford. Chevy. So yeah, that's what they got here, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Talk to the next video. Take it easy. Bye bye.